you know that if you are at risk of falling, you might be entitled to extra money from the government to help keep you safe? It's not means tested, it doesn't affect your pension, and it is not charity. It's called Attendance Allowance, and thousands of eligible people fail to claim it every year. Hi, I'm Amged Slim, consultant geriatrician, older people's medicine, and welcome to Age Well with Dr. Amged. Attendance allowance is for people over state pension age who have a physical or mental disability. Risk of falling counts. If you need someone to keep an eye on you to stop you falling, or if you need help getting dressed because your balance is bad, you fit the criteria. It comes in two rates. You can use this money for a cleaner, for taxes, or for a personal alarm system. It's not means tested. Your savings, income, or private pension do not affect your eligibility. You could be a millionaire and still claim it if you have the health need. The form is long, alpha 1 form from gov.uk. When filling it in, describe your worst day. Don't be brave, be honest about the help you need. You can also call Attendance Allowance Helpline at 0800 731 0122 to request a paper copy. Visit the gov.uk website or Citizens Advice. If you are unsteady, claim what is yours. Use the money to invest in your safety. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This channel is all about aging well with confidence, clear advice, no jargon, and the practical steps you can start today. Let's do this together.